Hello guys, welcome to this quick Tailwind CSS tutorial. Today we are going to create a simple dashboard statistics component. So I have few variations designed in Figma here you can see, and I will be attempting to create this one, the with icon one. So let's see how we can create this component in Tailwind CSS. So I have here Tailwind play.css, and the CSS is basic here, and this is also basic. So let's start how I can do this. Okay, so before that, let me do some changes in the config. So I'll be using a default from my local. So I will just paste this. It's nothing, just a default, so it more looks like what I wanted, like some sans inter font and the stock font, something like that. And CSS is just fine. So I have just few div here, like it's just a background wrap, just a background color, and a container so that I can start writing here. So it comes in sender. So that's fine. So let's start creating the statistics component. So first we will need some we'll create some grid here. So let me start with the div, and I'm going to add a class of grid. Inside that, we can have as many div we want, like I'm going to create 4 here, and maybe type something so you can see like it's coming below it. So what we need here is we need to specify uh, the column. So I'll be specifying it as grid columns for. So in mobile I want the same like this. So from SM I think I will go with grid calls 2, and then for LG grid call 4. So in large versions it will be on 4 columns, maybe, like you can see like this. So this is a SM, you can see this is fine. And then we will work on the first div, and we'll keep the rest like that, and then we'll copy the content to the other divs as well. Like if you're using React, you can only do one and then loop it. So that's you can do. Okay, now what I do is inside that, maybe I will make this div bg, sorry, class bg white. So it's white color. So I think we need to add some gap here. So I think we need to add some gap here, like maybe I can add gap 7 or something. That's fine. Then once we also need a small shadow, like a little bit shadow we can add. So I'll add shadow SM, and then I also want rounded so the corner is not sharp. So that's fine. I also wanted a padding. So let's go for P5. That's fine. Then inside that div, we need total 3 div. Maybe we can do this using flex. So I will inside that. Let's start with the flex and then to div inside it. Okay, so that's fine. Maybe let's format this document. Okay, so we have this content like this. So this is for the icon and this is for the content. This content, let me add another div and we can call it total sales, and below that we can add another div and it will be the price, this price. So we will just create an 8. So this looks fine to get started. So only thing we need is the icon. So the icon is in a background. So maybe either we can just turn this to a background, or I can add another div inside. So this will be the background color, and here we can put the SVG icon. So let me copy the icon quickly from my Figma file. I'm doing this in off screen, don't worry. Okay, so I have this SVG here. Let me paste it. So this is what I have, and this looks fine. Let's format it. Looks fine, and this is a BG. I think we'll add a documentation page here, so it will be easy to reference. So inside that div, um, I'm going to add a background color. So class. So the background is like this fuchsia color. So I don't have this in the config, like the colors. Maybe I think I should copy that from fuchsia. Okay, just for colors. Customizing colors, like I can search for a few. Okay. Oh, okay, it's not here. So this is the color palette reference. Okay, so this is what I want. Let's see. So this is the name. Okay, I will just copy this name, and here I'll just use this, so that here I can select BG fuchsia. I don't actually know how to spell this or how to pronounce this. Let's go for 50 here. Let's see if we are getting any output. Okay, it's compiling. That's fine. That meantime, let's make it rounded and this time full. And so that's fine. Maybe we can add a width 12 and H12. icon needs to be in center. Before that, I will just make text fuchsia around 400 so that I can change this stroke to current color. So that's what. So this color will take. I can change any color I want, and I want it to become in center. So maybe I will go with the flex and place item center, and this I'm also going to change. Okay, let's keep it like that. So it's sender. Okay, let's go for justify sender items sender. Yeah, so that's what we want. All good. And since we need some spacing here, so what's the problem with the flex is we cannot put gap here. It works in Chrome in some browsers, but it's not compatible with the old browsers. So I think the easiest way will be adding the space utilities. Maybe we can go for space between. So this is what we want. So like space x4, we can just try it. Yep, that's fine for now. Now we want to make the styling of the right side. Okay, for that let me go here and we'll add a class, and just want to text a 400. Yep, that's fine. And class for this to text to Excel, and also font bold, as well as yep, maybe text a dark not black. So that's it. Looks good. I think one thing pending is the alignment. We can just same as item sender. You can just put item sender. It's in sender right now. So let's see. Okay. Yep. That looks fine. Now let's copy this div here. Okay, actually this div. These are grid. And we will delete. Let me add some space. 2, 3, and 4. Maybe I'll just check the responsive as well. Yep, see, it works out of the box. We don't need to do nothing. We just added the calls here, and it works automatically. Now the next job is to add the new content and the new colors. So this color is cyan, and this is going to be amber. So amber is not defined. So amber. Okay, let's see what's the. Okay, this is space. We'll go to colors and go to, where is that? Okay, here is the amber. So we just copy that as well. Config, add amber. So I guess cyan is included, or we should also include the cyan. Let's see. not included, so we will add cyan, colors.cyan as well. Now it's easy, like we just change the color of here, cyan, and then cyan. Here we'll go for amber, and then at last we have the emerald. So I think emerald is also not defined, so I'll go with the config and just duplicate place.emerald. That's fine, so I can define emerald here. So it's compiling right now. In that meantime, I will just change the icons as well. So let me copy the icons. Okay, I have got this SVG, paste it here, and this color, make sure it's current color. That's fine. Here as well. That's fine. Then I will add the icon for the other one. I'm just pasting this. So make sure the stroke is current color. Okay, so that's fine. Now the last one is going to be this. Again, copying this current color and make sure it's updated well. Okay, so our icons are updated. The last thing pending is the text. So I'll just change the text. So the first one is sales, and the next one is net revenue. It's going to be 7520.50. Then we got customers. Here we can put 1375. Last one is MR, and that's going to be 250. It. So let's see our component. Okay, so we got a working dashboard statistics component using Tailwind CSS. That's it. It's pretty easy, right? And it's responsive. You can just format this document, and I'll just click the share button. That's it. So thank you for watching. If you like more video like this, please let me know. This is my first video, so if you feel something in this, if you have any feedback, you can let me know, because this is the first time I'm doing, so maybe something is bad. So you can let me know what I can improve, so that will be good. So thank you. That's it. Bye bye.